easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In case you've missed it, this is part 2 of my vacation vlog, my Abuja vacation vlog. Okay, so if you missed the first part, then just click the link here. It will direct you straight to part 1. So today is Monday. My vacation is fast drawing to a close. Today Anita and I are going to go to a waterfall. I think we're going to, is it Usuma waterfall or something? I've actually been to Usman Dam before, but we missed that part, so we're going to go there and just, chill. I feel very tired today, so I don't want to do anything extra. We're also supposed to go to some pottery place, but apparently you have to book ahead to get in there, and we did not book. So we're probably only going to go to the waterfall and maybe find somewhere to eat. So yeah, let's go. I'm just wearing shorts. I have my swimsuit under here and a big t-shirt over. So let us go. But this is Usman Dam. We're thinking of going to do a canoe ride, but I can't see any. Can you see canoes in the water? I can't see any canoes. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're doing maintenance or something. The waterfall, we even. Let's just go to Magicland after. Guys, that's as far as we can go. We can't go any further because we had 5 minutes. So, we're gonna go to Magicland now to spend the rest of our youth. Because Uber already is waiting for us. They're already looking very anxious. This place is bringing back memories because this is the road to law school, and we passed this road many a time. So we are at Magicland. Anita and Tom Tom were at Magicland. Oh, there's a hill here. I know you guys can see. People climb up. Anita is a chicken, so she's not doing this tiny roller coaster. She doesn't want to do it. For me, I'm going. So I got a free ticket, a free ride with my ticket. So I'm about to use that to go on the roller coaster, if you can call it a roller coaster. You can call it that. But Anita over here thinks it's too dangerous. Chicken, that's what I am. So I'm going alone.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around
that bad? We're going on this one. It's very slow.
I'm just going to be beside you.
So this one is a pretty chill ride. We're just lounging, cruising. Let me set this thing. Yeah, so we're just chilling. It's going round, but it's so slow. My camera is not even moving. Wow. We're officially done. Thank you. We're done. We're done. Let's go and look for another place.
Let's go and dance.
Okay, let's go and dance. I don't know why every time we say we want to come out and play, that's when the rain likes to fall. Because even when we did the kayaking, right? Even when we did the kayaking too. Where's it?
I did a good picture for you.
Yep.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends.
That can be it. Continue. Is that it?
I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you.
Do we have a good time? Let's go. Hi guys, so today is Monday. Today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Anita was here through the night, a sweetheart. So now we're going to go to the dome. We're going bowling and then we'll go to a restaurant, Hareem Dream Lifestyle. Right. Later in the evening, we plan to go salsa dancing and karaoke. Right. So yeah, this is us. And we're heading out. See you.
what you're just. What are you, man?
So, Samoa is shit at bowling, but the other thing, the other table ball thing, snooker thing, I got that one. Food is here, bro. Bro, it's a lot. Guys, this is a lot of food. Jesus Christ. For 4-5. This is a lot of food.
And we ate in that place.
And this is Anita's pizza. Anita has finished her drink.
I'm going to get more.
So hi guys, it's currently about past 7 now and we're going salsa dancing. We're going to a place called Barracuda. It's in Wuse too. So Hareem dream was a proper, like it was beautiful. It was beautiful. The food was amazing. They packed it for me and you feel 2 takeaway packs, guys. It was amazing. So right now we're going salsa dancing. We're going to Barracuda. This is what I'm wearing. And yeah, let's go and dance. I'm so sad. My god, my flight is tomorrow by 1:30 and I want to stay here. I want to stay here, guys. One thing about Abuja is that cab trips, cab rides are ridiculously cheap. Like, we're actually suffering in Lagos. A ride from island to mainland in Lagos could take like 7,100. But here in Abuja, I went like to Sunnyvale, Lokogoma from Maitama, and that's pretty much just picture going from Songo Tedo to Festac. That's it, and it costs 1,400 naira. Like, I don't understand when people say Abuja is expensive. It's probably just accommodation, because cab rides are ridiculously cheap. There is no traffic, guys. I'm so sad that my trip has come to an end, but yeah, all good things must come to an end. So I go home tomorrow, right? So I have to start packing now. My bed is even currently a mess. I have to start packing now. I'm going to take a shower now, start packing, and see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the last day of vacation. My flight is at 1:30. It's currently past 11. I've called my cab. I'm waiting for my cab to get here. The boxes are packed and I'm so sad. I'm so sad, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm so sad. I want to come back. I don't want to go, but yeah, I have a lot of food. I have suya from yesterday and I have the pasta from Hareem Dream. I'm not sure. I've put it in my bag, Sha. I've put the suya in my bag. I hope that they will let me take my food on the plane. I plan to put it in my big box as well. Then I couldn't go to Garki to get kilishi and shredded beef, so I'll probably just buy. If we see on the way to the airport, I'll buy. But yeah, that's about it. In case anybody's wondering, I stayed at SS Suites in Maitama. Their service was amazing. My room is perfect. I'm so glad I went salsa dancing yesterday. That was a huge highlight of this my vacation. But I thank you guys so much for coming with me on this trip. I'm gonna go back to Lagos now, so yeah. Hopefully the fun continues, right? Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and I will see you in my next video.